Welcome back, or hello to the newcomers. This is the Crypto Angel with your tricks and tips from the internet. On this channel, we share airdrops, faucet collection, multiplying tricks, and much more. So stay locked on, and we will keep you up to date with all the new news and tips and tricks you need to make that free crypto. And in return, all our channel asks you is a smash of the like button and the subscribe button.
Okay guys, just before we get into it, a few regulations. Just remember that multiplying in the long run will more than likely end up in a loss. At no point we encourage cashing into this site. Crypto Angel channel is made totally out of free crypto. Okay, let's do it. We have 100 faucet claims, 3,806. In this video, we are going to try and manually multiply and double this amount. So that'll be 200 faucet claims, and all in the space of this video. Just before we dive into it, we are going to go and collect from the faucet, which we can do every hour, and claim that free crypto up to 200 euros a spin. That is the maximum win. That is like winning the lottery. So we click on here, I am not a robot. And you will be ready to fill out the captcha. So here is the boats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and verify, and that is it. And we have just earned 37, which is the minimum, but it all counts. Okay guys, for people that haven't got accounts, I've left you the link in the descriptions box in blue. Okay, let's try and double up now. Let's click on multiply at the top here, and then we will be ready to multiply and test out our luck. So let's come down here and click on manual. We'll do an auto. So if you do want to see the auto trick, make sure you give me a thumbs up and a message down the bottom. Let me know. Sharing is caring, as we love sharing all our techniques and little tricks. So let's get into it. We're starting with a base bet of 10, and on every spin we'll alternate from high to low. High to low each time. So we lost on the first one, so we go back to the value and change that to 20. So we lost 10, we'll write in 20, and we'll go for 20 and we'll hit on the other side. So we hit on high and we win. So we made a profit of 10, go back to 10 because it's our minimum. And we're going to change techniques through this video to try and make more as we go along. So we'll just keep on doing this technique for the moment. So we'll double up to 20 because we lost on 10, and then we'll double up to 40. Each time you just double up over everything, double up to 80. What do you reckon? Green or red? Green or red? And see what happens here. 80, and we win. I'll take this back down twice, so 40 to 20. So I don't take it back down to 10, I've taken it to 20. Now I'm going to take it down 1. Divide by 2 once, which takes you to 10. I'll explain better. Every time it's red and you lose, you multiply your base bet by 2. Every time you win, you can divide by 2 twice, unless it goes below 10 and you stop at 10. Let me keep on going and you'll get the drift. We lost on 20, we'll write in 40. We lost at 40, we'll write in 80. We lost at 80, we'll write in 160. What happens here? We win. So now what we'll try and do is just divide by 2 once. Let's try 80. See if we win. We never know, we might lose. Oh, we won 80, that's great. We'll divide by 2 once to 40. This is the second technique. It's a lot more dangerous, but the gains are higher. What we like normally doing is actually dividing by 2 twice. But we just did it once to see if we can make more gains and get up there quicker, as this video needs to be short and sweet. Another great piece of advice: when you do think it's going to be a bit hectic and you think it's going to suck up all your tokens, take it down to the minimum bet and just take it easy. As often when you do get greedy, that's when it decides to wipe you out. And it would be horrible to say goodbye to those 100 faucet claims, as time is money, guys. Second piece of advice is when it's getting hectic, you can also just give up, come back in an hour, claim from your faucet, and start again. Back to the multiplying table. So we lost on 20, we'll double that and take it to 40. Double up again, 80. And see what happens here. 80, 80, and we lose 160. We keep on doubling until we get that win, hoping that we have enough to cover it. So we have a win on 160, and we will take it down twice, because we really don't want to get wiped out at the beginning of our video. I'm going to profit from this moment while we're multiplying in the background here, doubling up to 80, we win. I'm going to profit from this moment to say thank you to all the new subscribers and all the help that we've been getting on this channel. It's been a really great year and sharing this with you guys. For all the newcomers to the Ethereum site, I'm going to give you a piece of advice. I'm actually doing a 10 minimum bet. You can actually take this down to 1, which means you could do the same technique with 10 faucet claims using the base bet of 1. So with 100 faucet claims, you could times that by 10. So that's why I've got a 10 minimum base bet. Obviously, you'll have to adapt this to your own tastes and your own ideas. And if you have some new ideas, let me know. We will be happy to share them with the Crypto Angel team. And you never know, we might make a special video just for you. Let's go back to making some free Ethereum. So doubled up on 80 and we've won. So we'll take that down by 2 twice. So that's down to 20. Down to 10, which is the minimum bet. We won to the other side, until we lose and then double up. So up to 20. We win, divide by 2 once, so 10. To the other side. And it's green, so the other side. And then take it up to 20. And let's see if we can get this higher up so we can actually start getting some higher wins, because we're actually only making 10 at a time. But knowing that a faucet claim is only 37 at the moment, which means if you win 4 times, you've made an hour's worth of faucet claims. You could be reasonable, make 40 and come back, and make 40 every hour and take it easy at the beginning. Or you could be radical like I am, as we like to be greedy on the Crypto Angel team. On our next loss, we'll try and pump it up a little bit more. We'll only divide by 2 once. Okay, double up to 20, then to 40. We'll double up again to 80, because we're losing on each spin here. We're losing, so 160 here. We lost again, so we'll double up to 320. So this is doubled every time. And we lost again, so 640 now. This is a big bet. We could lose everything right now. 640, and we won. So we'll divide that by 2, so that's 320. This is where we normally divide by 2 twice, but we're doing it only once this time. Big win there, 320. That is like 8 faucet claims. Divide by 2 once, 160, 1 again. That was like 5 faucet claims. We'll divide that to 80, divide by 2, and we lost. We'll double up to 160. And what happens here? We lost again, 320. What's going to happen when we won? So that was quite a nice streak. We should not get too hectic here. We're divided by 160. That's great. Another big win there. Divide by 280. We are on fire, guys. Yeehaw! Divide that up again as we are in the green mood. We will turn this over for another 30 seconds or so, and then we will go and see how much profit we've made, and then hopefully change technique to try and even boost it up even faster, as our aim was to double up our faucet claims. Now, I don't really know how far we've got, because we've only been doing 10 bets at the moment. We've had a couple of nice streaks, but do you reckon it's enough? Let's go and have a look in the account. We have just about doubled up, so 6,640. So we will leave you with a little bit more info and some music while we carry on doubling to make sure that we go over the double mark. I need to tell you about the 8% interest rate. This site actually gives you 8% on your free money for stocking it on their platform. This is amazing. Free money on your free money. Anyway, let's carry on multiplying. 20 red, double up to 40, up to 80, and it's green. The green is what we like to see. As long as we have enough to cover our losses, we'll always be in profit. But knowing that if you play with your odds too often and too long, big profits can always turn into big losses, so you got to be careful. Another great way of earning free crypto on this site is by using referrals. Get your referral link, share it everywhere. I've left you mine in the descriptions box. You can share yours and you will get 25%. The free Litecoin site offers 50%. But this site is actually only offering 25% on your referrals spins. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out my new playlist, The Forgotten Faucets, and we will see you in the next video. Happy collecting. See you soon. Crypto Angel, over and out. C to the R to the Y to the P to the O.